Today, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Patan is considered to be very prosperous city of the ancient period. Over 400 years ago, a king named Siddhi Narsimha Malla built this region. It was an architectural marvel of that time. And still today, you feel mesmerized when you look at these works of art. It was when Hinduism and Buddhism were decoupling and commingling. Patan was a hub for cultures to blend at its 136 courtyards that are locally called the bahals and 55 major temples. King Siddhi was a religious man, and his famous creation was Krishna Mandir. There he meditated in front of fire during summer and in cold stone during winter to test his limits. And probably he got his idea to extend arms of trade with Lhasa in China, which is grown by multifolds today. He was a religious and a visionary leader. Krishna Mandir stood tall even after the devastating 7.8 Richter scale earthquake that hit Nepal in 2015. Many other monuments were taken down by the force of nature. But Patan does not complain. It has built itself up like a champ slowly but surely, and what they have recreated is as beautiful as its predecessor. Patan has the convenience of the modern days and grandeur of Malla Kingdom. Every corner of Patan has a story to tell, some new, some old, and some really ancient. This story is from Satya Yuga, the first known period in Hinduism. In the Satya Yuga, a great storm started destroying creation that even Lord Vishnu could not control. So he called in goddess Bagalamukhi for rescue. She manifested from a lake of turmeric, hence her devotees often dress in yellow, and she gets yellow flowers and yellow fabrics as offerings. She calmed the storms and restored the order in the universe. Bagalamukhi symbolizes the intense female primitive power, stronger than the Lord himself. Symbolically, in the midst of Patan, her temple is surrounded with strong women fighting and calming the storms in their daily lives.